Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the DAX EA, which is an expert advisor developed by Babak Alamda and available for MT5. Right away on the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see the current listing. The price is currently $499 US, version 1.3, updated on December 4th, 2025, with 10 activations available. The developer highlights that this EA includes 23 distinct strategies combined into a single trading system. One of the major points emphasized throughout the description is that the EA does not use greed trading, martingale, or aggressive money management techniques. Instead, it focuses on multiple independent strategies with relatively tight stop losses and short holding times. As I continue through the product page, the developer explains that the system was built around a timing-based approach related to futures expiry cycles and their influence on the DAX index market. While the exact methodology isn't disclosed, this is presented as one of the core concepts behind the EA. Another interesting point mentioned here is the use of dynamic parameters. According to the developer, key settings automatically adapt to market conditions and changes in index value rather than relying on completely fixed stop loss and take profit levels. Moving into the feature section, the EA is designed specifically for DAX related symbols, including naming variations such as DAX, DE30, GER30, DE40, GER40, DAX 40, Germany 30, Germany 40, and so on, depending on the broker. The setup appears straightforward since the developer states that it can be attached to any time frame on the chart and does not require external files or additional configuration. The EA is also described as being compatible with most brokers and suitable for personal accounts as well as prop firm environments. One of the most notable features is the inclusion of 23 independent strategies. Each strategy has its own comment and magic number, making it easier to identify, analyze, and backtest individual strategy groups separately if desired. The developer also notes that users can control overall exposure by limiting the maximum number of active strategies running simultaneously through the settings. Now let's move into the historical backtesting section. The developer places significant emphasis on using real tick data or at minimum every tick modeling. According to the documentation, open prices or 1-minute OHLC testing can produce inaccurate results on DAX because of the index's volatility and frequent price jumps. Now, looking at the information provided here, we can see that from an initial deposit of $250, total net profit was over $3.3 million. The total trades taken were 5,412, short trades were 2,541 with a 96.34% win rate, long trades were 2,871 with a 96.83% win rate. All right, and the balance drawdown is pretty low. The relative drawdown, to be specific, 1.81%, and the equity drawdown relative was 9.79%. All right, so let's see. This is showing us 2018 to 2025. All right, so that's over 8 years of backtesting, right? 3rd January 2018 to 17th April 2025, based on what I can see here. All right, so that yielded over $3 million in profit. But let's just head over to our strategy tester to see how the EA performs over the past 5 months using recent market data. So we are testing the DAX EA on GER40, which is one of the recommended symbols, of course, H1 time frame from the beginning of this year till date. And then for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server, every tick modeling as recommended. All right, so looking at the results from an initial deposit of 100,000, we can see that the total net profit was negative 29,993.97. And the total trades taken were 255, short trades were 144, with a 77.08% win rate. Long trades were 111 with a 71.17% win rate. The largest profit was 1,416.96. Largest loss was 1,753.92. Average profit was 247.61. Average loss 1,185.24. So this tells me that the average risk to reward ratio is pretty bad, but the win rate is good. But perhaps the difference between the average profit and average loss is so wide that it resulted into a total net profit of almost 30% in the negative, a decline of the balance by almost 30%. So as we review the historical testing performance and chart activity, we can observe how the EA managed trades throughout the tested period. Since the system contains multiple independent strategies, the trade activity may reflect different strategy groups operating under the same framework rather than a single entry model. The chart history itself shows how the EA behaved under historical market conditions, but it is important to remember that the exact entry and exit logic behind each of the 23 strategies is not publicly disclosed by the developer. So looking at the overall historical results, this should be viewed strictly as historical testing performance rather than any guarantee of future outcomes. Actual results can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot sizing, broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, market conditions, and any optimization performed by the user. I'd also recommend running longer term testing yourself using real tick data so you can build a more complete understanding of how the EA behaves across different market environments. Overall, the DAX EA presents itself as a multi-strategy MT5 trading system focused exclusively on DAX index instruments. The combination of 23 independent strategies, dynamic parameter adjustments, no grid approach, and configurable risk controls are some of the key points highlighted by the developer. As always, make sure to perform your own testing and optimization before considering any live deployment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.